Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Ford Explorer ST. Comes equipped with a 3-liter V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and ventilated seats, panoramic sunroof, drive-on selector, navigation, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're going to have this all-black interior with paneling cup holder storage on the bottom. You got your speakers, Bang & Olufsen sound system with power locks, mirrors, and windows, and your seat memory and chrome accent handle. Ford performance badging. Power adjustable, heated and ventilated bucket seats. Super nice. Left side, you're going to have your ventilation as well as your lighting controls. Left side is steering wheel will be your driver assistance with lane keep assist, cruise control, and forward gap. And the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. The flat bottom, the ST badging, paddle shifters right behind. And for the odometer, you can access through different trip information, your gauges, as well as your comm screen, and you got your different screens set up with audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. So it's going to be push to start on the side and onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You're going to have your Sirius XM as well as your navigation included, and downloadable apps as well, and other settings including your driver assistance, ambient lighting, valet mode, and all that fun stuff. You're going to have your climate controls at the bottom here, dual zone with your actually tri-zone climate controls with your camera here and your 360 degree. You got extra storage down here with 2 USB ports and a 12 volt. You got the shifter with the parking brake and drive mode selector with hill descent control, wireless charging pad, and extra center console storage. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, that ST badging, the chrome all the way across, Bang & Olufsen sound system. Up here you can access your reading lamps, sunglass case holder, and your panoramic sunroof. So you get these blacked out 21-inch wheels on Scorpion Zero tires with the black mirror caps and keyless entry door handles. You got a roof rack up top, deep tint rear glass in the back. You're gonna have the quad exhaust with the ST badging, as well as the trailer hitch. Oh, there's the black one, there it is. And it's the back here, you got the third row with your Explorer badging. These power folding seats. They go right down. Folds pretty easy. Or you can hit the center and both of them go down. Just wanted to show you the individuality of that. So you're gonna have cup holders on the side with hooks and there's some extra storage. And as well as extra storage down below with the mesh nets. It's a pretty spacious rear. Onto the more of the rear interior, you got more storage on the bottom here next to speakers, built-in cup holders. You also got the sunscreen shades. In the back, lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver side, with rear climate controls, rear heated seats, as well as 2 USB ports, an AC wall port, and cup holders as well. The captain seats with the armrests, lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, that panoramic sunroof. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2022 Ford Explorer ST, equipped with a 3-liter V6 engine, as well as heated and ventilated leather seats, heated rear seating, navigation, drive mode selector, hill descent control, roof rack, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.